Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect an Excel file as well as individual sheets within an Excel workbook. The simplest way to password protect an entire Excel file is with the following steps. Once you've opened the file that you wish to protect, go under the File tab on the ribbon, click on Info. Next, left-click on the Protect Workbook dropdown, and left-click on Encrypt with Password. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a password. You see the caution here. It says if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. Also remember that the password is case sensitive. For this example, I'm just going to use a simple password. And then once you click OK or hit enter, the confirmation password dialog box appears. Simply re-enter the password that you previously selected and say OK. And now we can see that a password is required to open this workbook. Go back, save our changes, and close it. If you reopen Excel and try to open the file again, you see that it is now password protected. Simply enter the password and say OK. To remove the password from your Excel file, follow the same steps again. Under File, Info, Protect Workbook dropdown, and say Encrypt with Password. To remove the password, simply delete the password from the dialog box and say OK. To protect an individual sheet, click on the Review tab along the top ribbon and then click the Protect Sheet option. Here a pop-up box shows up. Here you can enter a password and choose how the sheet is protected. If the box on the left is checked, then users will be allowed to edit or make the following changes. By default, you can see users are allowed to select locked and unlocked cells. So for example, we want to allow users to insert columns, but not delete columns. We'll say OK. And here we're getting the confirmation password again. Type in your password and select OK. So now it's protected. We can enter a column and see we can insert the column, but the delete option is grayed out because it is not allowed. To unprotect the sheet, you will need to re-enter the password. Note that under the Protect Sheet dialog box, if the password is left blank, the sheet can be unprotected by clicking on the Unprotect Sheet option under the Review tab. Thank you for watching.